Hello, today I'm gonna make the ashi, oksusu cha, and boricha. This is a roasted corn tea and a roasted barley tea. The barley tea and corn tea is a very common drink, which we Koreans enjoy hot drink the winter time and cold drink during the summertime. So you can buy at the karmanfood.com the ashi corn roasted corn tea or the roasted barley tea. So you can just boil the water for 10 or 15 minutes and use the tap water, or you can use the mineral water too, and add on the 2 tablespoons, but you can use the individual. If you want to only for barley tea, you can use 2 spoons of barley, but if you want to flavor only the corn tea, you can just a tablespoon of the only corn. But today I'm gonna mix together. You can use mix together. In Korea we use usually the mix. So 1 tablespoon of corn. I'm gonna put 1 more spoon. I like this the aroma. So 2 tablespoons of the corn and 1 big tablespoon of the barley. I just put a lot of the water, so it's 2 tablespoons for 2 liter of the water. So this is over the 2, almost a 4 liters. So I'm gonna use each 2 spoon. So next, after 2 tablespoons of the ashi barley tea for every 2 liter of water. But if you have the tea bag, you can use to put in there, and then it's more. We have to take it out later after boiled, So it's convenient to take it out later. So boil together for 5 or to 10 minutes at medium temperature. Medium heat, and then drain the contents from the tea. So let's wait. Please wait 10 minutes. Okay, 10 minutes have passed. So turn off the heat and brew out for 5 minutes. And you can take it out. Strain the barley. After brew out for 5 minutes, as a tasty aroma comes out more. And next you can take it out the barley. But if you barley keeping in the longer in the pot, its taste bitter will come out. And do not reheat the barley already cooked one. So let's drink. This is you can use barley tea. For we drink in winter time or always you look that, and you can after cooling down. Later you can use the ice boricha too. Afterward, you can keep it cooled down in the glass bottle or glass container. And keeping in the refrigerator, make a cold, and you can enjoy in summertime. I'm gonna drink ice boricha. Today I make the Korean Karman tea, the boricha and corn tea. Enjoy!
Enjoy. Bye bye.